Have you ever wondered what your credit score is and how it affects your financial life? Perhaps you're planning a big purchase, like a house or car, and you're curious about your chances of getting approved. Or maybe you're simply looking to improve your financial health and want to understand your credit report better. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading your TransUnion credit report in Canada. Your credit report is a comprehensive snapshot of your credit history, including your payment history, credit inquiries, and credit limits. It's a crucial document that can impact your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even jobs. Understanding your credit report is essential for making informed financial decisions. TransUnion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in Canada, along with Equifax and Experian. Each bureau collects and maintains credit information on consumers. While the information reported by each bureau may vary slightly, they generally provide a similar overview of your credit history. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your download method. There are 2 primary ways to download your TransUnion credit report, online or by mail. Online. This is the quickest and most convenient option. You'll need to create an account on TransUnion's website and provide some personal information to verify your identity. By mail. If you prefer to receive your report in the mail, you can request a paper copy by completing a form and mailing it to TransUnion. 2. Create an account. Online method. Visit TransUnion's website and click on the Get Your Free Credit Report button. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You'll need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social insurance number, SIN. 3. Verify your identity. TransUnion will require you to verify your identity to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the credit report. This may involve answering security questions or providing additional documentation. 4. Review and download your report. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to access your credit report. Review the report carefully to ensure that all the information is accurate. You can download a PDF copy of your report for your records. 5. Understand your credit report. Take the time to understand the different sections of your credit report. This includes personal information, your name, address, date of birth, and SIN. Credit history, a list of your past and current credit accounts, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Payment history, information about your payment history on each account, such as whether you made payments on time or were late. Credit inquiries, a record of recent credit inquiries made by lenders. Public records, any public records that may affect your credit, such as bankruptcies or judgments. 6. Dispute errors, if necessary. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them immediately with TransUnion. They are required to investigate and correct any inaccuracies. Additional tips. Monitor your credit regularly. Check your credit report at least once a year to ensure that there are no errors or unauthorized activity. Freeze your credit. Consider freezing your credit if you are not planning to apply for new credit. This can help protect you from identity theft. Build and maintain a positive credit history. Make timely payments on your bills, keep your credit utilization low, and limit the number of credit inquiries. Downloading your TransUnion credit report is a simple process that can provide valuable insights into your financial health. By understanding your credit report and taking steps to improve it, you can make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.